Hello everyone, my name is Kishan and welcome to this video series on database programming with Python. In this video, we will see how we can execute an Oracle procedure from a Python script. So let's jump on to Visual Studio Code and start programming. So first of all, I'll create a file called as execute procedure with a .py extension. First of all, we'll import the package that we need here. We are working with Oracle, so it is cx_oracle. Once you have imported the module required, I have a try catch block to write next part of the code. Try except else and finally, and then we'll go into the try block and try and create a connection. In this connection, we'll have a variable called as con, and we'll have cx_oracle dot connect method, which is called here, and then we'll pass in the required database string. So here I'm connecting to the HR schema that we get when we install an express version of Oracle. So it's the username slash password at the rate, the server name here, it's installed on my local machine, so it's localhost, the port that it connects to, and the SID. In this case it is ORCL. In my case it is ORCL. So once I have the connection created, if I get an error, what I'll do is I'll just write print exception occurred while creating a connection. I want the message to be passed here, so what I'll do is I'll write accept exception as error, and I'll pass in the error message here. Say there's no exception raised, in that case I have a try except else and finally block here again to actually write the code. I'll actually write the code over here to execute the Oracle procedure. So in the try block, I'll create a cursor. I'll name the variable as cur. For the connection object, I'll call the cursor method and I'll get a cursor. Once I have the cursor, the next thing would be to use this cursor to execute the procedure. So I'll use the callproc. Yes, this is the name, callproc method to execute a procedure. So procedure which I want to execute in this case is this one. I just created a procedure called as create or replace procedure, procedure name, and I got 4 variables, and I'm basically inserting a data into the CO details table where I have kept 4 variables. So this is the current CO details table. It has got some 5 records in it, and here I'll use that procedure. I'll call that procedure. The procedure name, I'll just copy it from here, I'll paste it here, and now I need to pass in the input parameters for the procedure. So in this case, the input parameters will just create one record for a CEO. Let's create a record for the Netflix creators. So we got 4 things to put. The first name would be Mark. The last name would be Randolph. He co-founded Netflix and he is of age 61 now. So this is how this procedure will get executed and this input will be passed. So say while executing this procedure an exception gets raised, in that case I want the exception to get printed here. Exception raised while executing the procedure. I want the exception message, so I'll just store it in a variable called as err and print it here. If everything goes fine, and then now I I can just print over here saying procedure executed. And at the end, I can just close the cursor because I no longer need it. And over here, in the main finally block, I'll close the connection because I no longer need that as well. So I'm saving the script, right click, run the Python file in terminal. It'll basically try and call the procedure and insert a record into this table. I'll jump back to Visual Studio Code. It says procedure is executed. And so now we should be able to see the data over here. As you can see, Mark Randolph Netflix 61 is inserted. I'll go back to the Visual Studio Code. So over here, if you see, what we did was we passed in the input variables here itself as a tuple. As a tuple, we passed in the input parameters. But to make it more cleaner, what we can do is instead of putting the parameters here, I can create a list of data that will act as an input parameter. So if you know, Netflix was co-founded. So there is one more guy called as Reed Hastings. He also co-founded Netflix with and is of age 59. And then I can just pass the list over here. So instead of mentioning your input parameters here in the callproc method to make it a bit cleaner, I just took another variable. I took another list, sent in all the required parameter as elements of the list and then pass the list itself here. So this would be a cleaner way to do it. You can also take this your procedure name and keep it somewhere else and then send that variable down here. But after all, you're calling a procedure, and if it's quite simple, it's just a name there. Now if I run this, you can see it says procedure executed. I can go to my SQL server, and over here we expect to see Reed Hastings. So here it is. We just saw an example how we can call a procedure. We can call an Oracle procedure from Python. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the next video, we'll see how we can call a function. Please do like, share, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. This is Kishan signing off. Thank you.